Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon version of Rodan. So to start off with our picture, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then up like this, kind of like a check mark. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up like a big curve. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then back like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then comes back like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then curves up like this for his mouth. Then right here, I'm going to curve this line up and down a little bit and then bring it right to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then it's going to curve back like this for one of his horns. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves back and then, or down and then comes back like this for his other one. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then up like this. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw a little bump and then I'm just going to go up like this. Then I'm just going to curve this line down and then I'm going to bring it back up like this. Then I'm going to draw another one of these lines in here. And then I'm going to put one more right here. Then I'm going to take this line back down to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down like this and then curve up a little bit for his tail. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little curved line and then a couple more just to show where his neck is. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up, and I'm going to leave a little space right here so I can put his legs in. So right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down again. That's going to be where his first toe is going to go. Then I'm just going to curve this back like this. Then I'm going to draw another claw right here. And then one more right here. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then we're just going to go up here. And then we're just going to curve this around like that. Then I'm going to connect this line up here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up a little bit and then down. And then I'm going to draw this foot, so I'm going to make one claw right here. And then another. And then one more right here. And then we're just going to curve down for the foot. And then right here, we're just going to go up and then back towards the body. Now, in between these wings, I'm just going to draw some curved lines just to connect them. Then I'm going to put the other wing back here. So I'm going to draw another little bump, and then I'm just going to curve this up. Then I'm just going to curve this down towards this wing. And then I'm just going to go up and down like a triangle shape. And then up and down for another triangle shape. And then I'm going to do that one more time for the last one. Now, just for a few details on here, I'm going to draw a little line up here just to kind of show where his eyebrow would be. I'm going to make this line just a little longer there. I'm going to draw a little line around here just to kind of show where his beak is. Put a little line down the center with a little dot next to it for his nose. I'm going to add a little tongue in there. I'm going to bring these lines up just a little bit. Going to put a little curved line on there where his horns are. And then I'm just going to make a little line down here just to show where his stomach is. And then I'm going to add just a few extra lines onto his wings. And then just a couple little extra detailed lines on his body. Kind of all the way around there. And just some different spots. Then the last thing, we just want to give him a little pupil for his eye. And then you can always go and I can add some of these little curved lines on here just to show where his claws are going to go. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Cartoon Rodan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.